Hey, if you wonder how you can connect the HDMI cable into your POCO X6 Pro, first of all, you will get the OTG connection on your phone. So you have to navigate into the settings, then scroll down until you locate additional settings, open them, and from here scroll down one more time and open the OTG. Now click on the switcher to turn on the OTG connection for the USB devices, and you'll have to get this adapter with the USB-C and the HDMI input. Also, you can get actually the HDMI cable with the HDMI end and the USB-C end. So when you have this kind of the cable, you don't even need this. You don't even need this adapter because you will be able to connect it straight into your port. But in my case, I don't have it, so I have to plug this end of the cable into this adapter, just like this. Now this end I have to plug into my phone. There we go. And now the second end of this cable, you will have to just simply plug into your TV or, for example, into your monitor, and you will be connected wired. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.